Join me as creating simple and dynamic interaction system in Unreal Engine 5 from scratch. In this video, you'll learn how to create dynamic interactions in Unreal Engine 5, enhancing gameplay and player engagement. We will use this system in the following lessons. Let's start. First, we need an interface for interaction. Name it BPI_interaction. Open that up. Rename that function as interact. That's it we need to do here. In our player character, we need a function for line trace. Let's create. We need an input. Name length and type float. This will cast out a line from center of our camera to the world directly forward, and this length input determines how long that line is. When that line hits an object with an interact interface, our interaction will work. Now drag off here line trace by channel. So we have a start and end here. For start, grab your camera here and get world location. That's the start point. For the end, get the camera's forward vector and multiply it by a float. This number will be the length of the line. From here, add a vector plus vector node. And connect this. And that will be the end point. From out, hit, break, hit, result. We need a return node now. For output, add hit actor and type actor object reference. And plug the hit actor to hit actor at return node. Don't forget compile and save. Go to event graph. We need an input action. It will be the mouse left click in my case. Drag the line trace we created and connect. For length, 350 is a good range. Now we call the interact message here. But before, we need to make a control that the hit object has implemented the interact interface we created before. Create a branch and make sure the actor is valid. Then create an AND boolean and be sure object implement the right interface. Select interact interface here, then connect a condition at branch. If the condition returns true, it will got to interact message node. Compile and save. Now create an object that we can interact. Add a blueprint class, select actor. Open up. In class settings, this is important. Select out interface at implemented interfaces. Right-click the interact under the interfaces and select implement function. This calls the message here. Let's test this, but before we need an object. Enter inside the interaction actor. Create a temporary object like a sphere. Compile and save. Drag the actor in the scene. Click on space, nothing's happened, but click on the actor. We got a message from print screen node, our system is working. If you want to see the line going out our character, change the debug type to for duration here. This will show us the lines coming out our camera to the world. You see? There is a thin red line there. This is our line coming out the camera. If that line hits an interaction actor, nodes executes and gives a message on the left corner of screen. We can also add the debug type as an input to change it more easily in the future. Now every time we use the line trace function, we can change debug type easily. In the next video, we will create a light switch system with the interaction system we made. If you're finding value in these videos, hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you love the content, and ring the bell to stay updated. See you in the restaurant at the end of the universe.